Sledgehammer, maybe. He believes. They just whipping a kiss. And look at this! Oh, and again! And coming down!
Hi, thanks for watching our videos. Before we start today's video, we would like to make a request. Our goal is to reach the 1,000 subscribers mark. For this to be achieved, our channel needs your full support. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel and help us reach 1,000 subscribers. Now let's start today's video.
Triple H vs Kevin Nash, Sledgehammer ladder match, WWE TLC 2011. Nash was the first to use the ladder, running into Triple H with it and hitting him in the head. Triple H came back at him, climbing the announce table and taking him down with a Thesz Press. Triple H gave him a clothesline over the barricade, sending Nash into the crowd. Nash ended up dropping him with a sharp elbow as well as snake eyes on the barricade. Triple H using the ladder as a weapon to attack Nash's right knee. Triple H put Nash's right leg through a ladder, bent it and dropped down onto his back, which effectively put Nash in the figure 4. Nash whipped Triple H into the corner where Triple H crashed into a propped-up ladder and did his signature bump over the top rope to the floor. In the ring, Triple H set up a ladder for the first climb of the match at the 13-minute mark. Nash took the ladder away, propping it up in the corner. He whipped Triple H into the ladder in the corner and followed it up with a chokeslam.
Sledgehammer, maybe. He They just whipping a kiss. And look at this!
Triple H climbed up the ladder. Nash followed him.
And on the ladder.
Triple H fought him off, hit him in the head and Nash went crashing through the table. Triple H grabbed the sledgehammer as the crowd went wild. Triple H attacked him with the sledgehammer, attacking every part of Nash's body. He threw the ladder outside the ring. Triple H threw the sledgehammer away, then Triple H hit the pedigree. Triple H grabbed the sledgehammer. Nash got to his knees, gave the click sign out of desperation and Triple H gave him a DX crotch chop. Then Triple H hit him with a sledgehammer in the head. He covered for him the win. Well, that's all we have for you today. Thanks for watching.